What is options trading? In our previous videos, we learned about derivatives market and futures trading. In this video, let's focus on option trading. What are options? They are a type of derivative like futures, which obtains its value from an underlying asset. An option is basically a contract that gives buyer the right but not the obligation to buy or sell the underlying asset at a predetermined price over a certain period of time. To put it in simpler terms, with options contract, you have the right to execute or not to execute the contract depending on the profitability of the situation. The price mentioned in the contract is called a strike price, and the time period is called an expiry date. Now let us look at how options contracts are priced. The options contracts enables you to trade by paying an upfront premium. Even if the buyer of option chooses not to execute the contract on the expiry date, he will still have to pay the premium amount. In Indian markets, weekly options are more liquid and hence used often as a hedging tool. Expiry of weekly contracts are on Thursdays. For monthly options, the expiry of contracts is the last Thursday of every month. Trading in options requires lesser capital than purchasing stock. They allow traders to amplify the benefits by investing smaller capital. It can be a great tool to hedge your risks in the market. But the concept of an options contract can be complicated. A person should be careful while venturing into options trading. Now let's see the types of options available in the market. There are two types of options: call and put option. The call option gives the investor the right to purchase the asset on a future date at the strike price, while put option gives the right to sell the asset at a strike price on or before the expiry date. We shall learn more about them in our next videos. So hit that subscribe button and don't miss out on any of our videos. If you liked our video, like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for more such videos, visit our website www.edelweiss.in. Thank you.